When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow. You got me with your logic on that one.
All right, guys. Today we're stepping into Judge Oakley's courtroom where things are about to heat up. On one side, you've got a laid-back, overconfident kid who's acting like he's the star of some courtroom movie, totally ignoring the fact that real life isn't a script he can control. He's been moving through life like the rules don't apply to him, but Judge Oakley is ready to snap him back to reality with a dose of serious courtroom truth. Let's get into it. Watch closely as Judge Oakley tries to cut through this kid's attitude and deliver a wake-up call he didn't see coming. And let me know down in the comments, do you think this kid will finally realize he's not in control, or will he just shrug it off and keep acting like nothing matters? Let's break it all down.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right. I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right. I understand you're almost done with school.
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
I'm trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a double ROA for it? Oh,
So everything.
it's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo,
Okay.
and I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation is going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully, that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate?
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't think about that, but
When did you start smoking dope?
Honestly, guys, it's pretty clear this kid's been living that stoner lifestyle for a long time, probably since day one. I mean, picture this. The doctor cuts the cord, and instead of crying, he's reaching for a lighter. It doesn't take a detective to figure it out. His eyes are barely open. He's moving in slow motion like his life's stuck in buffering mode, and he's got that classic, "Where am I?" expression locked on his face. This guy isn't just laid back. He looks completely zoned out, like his only real concern in life is his next smoke session. And sure, being chill is fine, until you show up in court looking like you just rolled out of a hotbox. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he's actually high right now while standing in front of the judge. But hey, that's just me. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think he's actually baked right now, or just permanently stuck in this state?
When did you start smoking marijuana?
when?
Yeah.
2 years ago,
Okay. How often you hit it?
that often,
What's that mean?
like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay. You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right. If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay. If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I pay for it. You know?
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got me fired, well, I did have a plan. The officer that got me fired, he should be the one getting it done.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC,
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he thought he had to reach the
You mean when this happened? Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll give you that. Okay, how's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wasn't at a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
That ain't even going to cover tuition.
So get this, guys. This kid just told the court he pulls in $14,000 a year and had plans for college, right up until he got fired from some basic part-time job. I mean, really? That's like saying you were on your way to being a surgeon, but Burger King let you go. It's just not adding up. Honestly, though, part of me feels bad for him. If we're being real, it's pretty clear this guy's never had a strong male figure around to steer him in the right direction or show him how to handle life like an adult. Now, judges aren't exactly known for being soft, but you can tell Judge Oakley actually cares. Just listen to how he's trying to talk sense into this kid. He's not just throwing out punishments. He's really trying to help him understand the mess he's in. I truly hope the judge can break through that thick wall of stubbornness, but I'm not holding my breath. This kid looks locked into his mindset, like he's allergic to taking advice from anyone. Teachers, cops, judges, doesn't matter. He's just out here doing whatever, and honestly, college isn't going to change that. Even if he signs up, he's probably not sticking around long.
okay, well, I'm also adopted, so, you know, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service. Have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
So get this, guys. This kid just told the court he pulls in $14,000 a year and had plans for college, right up until he got fired from some basic part-time job. I mean, really? That's like saying you were on your way to being a surgeon, but Burger King let you go. It's just not adding up. Honestly, though, part of me feels bad for him. If we're being real, it's pretty clear this guy's never had a strong male figure around to steer him in the right direction or show him how to handle life like an adult. Now, judges aren't exactly known for being soft, but you can tell Judge Oakley actually cares. Just listen to how he's trying to talk sense into this kid. He's not just throwing out punishments. He's really trying to help him understand the mess he's in. I truly hope the judge can break through that thick wall of stubbornness, but I'm not holding my breath. This kid looks locked into his mindset, like he's allergic to taking advice from anyone. Teachers, cops, judges, doesn't matter. He's just out here doing whatever, and honestly, college isn't going to change that. Even if he signs up, he's probably not sticking around long.